this video course I'm going to talk about Python language and Django framework. So first of all, I'm going to create the Django framework application with the simplest API endpoint where we can run the actual Python scripts and check how they work. I have created the lessons folder and opened this folder inside of my PyCharm IDE. Here in it's totally empty. We don't have anything here. You can do the same. And I'm going to install the Django framework, Django source code here. But you can install it on your host machine or create some environment and install it inside of it. I'm going to create a virtual env for the Python 3 version and call it env. Okay, it's created, and after that I'm going to activate this environment. The command source env bin activate. It's activated, and now any of library related to the Python using the command pip install will be installed inside of this environment and nothing touch the host environment. And here I can see that I have one folder and all the applications, all the libraries that will be installed will be here inside packages folder. So now I'm going to install the Django. It's installed and I can check it using the command pip freeze grep Django. So we have third version of Django installed inside of our application. We can find it actually here, like using this, and all the source code installed here. Okay, and now we can start create actually project for the Django application. The command Django admin start project, and I'm going to call it app. It should appear here. Okay. We have app folder here. Inside of it we have manage py file which used for the starting application, and also app folder for the settings, like settings py file, URL dispatcher, URL spy, and SGI for the web server configuration. Okay, now we can start application. For the starting application we can use the command manage py run server. We should go inside of app, and here we can start the command manage py run server. Yeah, and it says that our application running on localhost port 8000. But also we have a warning that we didn't apply 18 migrations from the Django source code. For the applying them, we should run the command manage py migrate, and all the migrations from the source code apply to our database. As default, Django used the SQL Lite database. It's the simplest database to use. and applied all the migrations inside of it. Now we can start the application and check it in our browser on localhost 8000. Yeah, so we have the default page for the Django application. It shows this page because we don't have any other routes for our application. After we will create any route for the application, this page will be hidden. And also we have admin interface for the authentication to Django admin on the admin URL. So okay, we've started our first application. In the next videos I'm going to create the Docker container for the application and also create the simplest API endpoint to work with Python language inside of it. Okay guys, thank you for the watching. Goodbye.